Okay, so this is the sketch that I made of what's in my head right now for building the aviary for the quail. It's probably going to change once I get out here, but I've got 7 feet this way and 6 feet this way, and approximately a 36-inch opening right here. I've got the T's where I think is going to be best for them, but I think this is probably what's going to end up being changed. Also, right here in the door, I'm going to need to do 2 straight shots maybe. I don't know, maybe not, we'll see. But the door is going to be here, and I think I'll probably, I don't know exactly which way I'll do that, but this is, like I said, this is the rough draft, and let's see how it turns out, how close to form it actually is. I've got it coming down at 42 inches here and here to give me the door opening that I'm looking for. At least that's what I've got outside in the yard laid out, hoping that it translates well to paper. So, all right, let's get started building. Okay, so I'm only a few minutes into it and I've already screwed up, and the fire ants are killing me. They're biting up my feet, so I probably need to go and put some shoes on, but this section right here, I forgot I was going to do 42. I was just getting ahead of myself, and I cut it at 7 feet, so I'm going to have some waste there, unfortunately, but keep going, it's not going to hurt me, just going to have more waste. Time to put on some boots. The ants are killing me. All right, so phase one is done. What I'm going to do is go ahead and put some of those three-way connectors on each of the corners. And Ud had a good idea because we're going to make a run that's going to run out this side. So that's where I got the idea. But you can see the sides, they're not nearly as sturdy as I thought that they might be. So I'm going to go ahead and get some connectors, and then next time we'll be doing the door, and hopefully we'll wrap it up on the next one. Alright, stay tuned for part 2. Thank you. Good to each other. We'll see you next time. Goodbye.